did want to say on this video, but unfortunately I deleted it by accident, and the audio has gone off the video. I was just going to say that there was mist around the Fawn Islands, and I would vlog and see if I could get any footage of the seals. So there you go.
That's a big fella.
Hello. We'll see him.
I've not seen any yet. Yeah, the size of his mouth.
We're just out at the Fawn Islands now, and as you can see, some of the islands are a little bit visible, but it's still very, very heavy mist. We're coming up to some of the islands, but it is very, very heavy mist. Yeah, and I've just been taking some video footage of some of the birds and the seals, and I'll edit them all in together into one long vlog as well. So, see you in a bit, YouTubers. Well, just behind us there's the Glad Tidings 5, which I've just got off. Again, as you could probably see on the videos, it was absolutely, there was like pea soup out there, really foggy. No sign of any dolphins, but there was some seals, which I've got video footage of, which I'll edit into this video, and also you'll see as separate videos. So I'm going to get going, and I'll see you later, YouTubers.